You are welcome back to our YouTube channel, Crypto Family, to a place where we share an important information and proper guideline on how you can earn your digital products or how you can start your financial journey. So remember that this particular channel is a place where you get things for free. So do well to participate in any project that will give you information about so that you'll be able to get the assets in due time. So today I'm going to review to you one of the best mining projects out there as of now. So and it's being called social mining application. This particular project has good potential. So just like other projects like Grass and Bitcoin, that is the same potential this particular site we have. But as of today, it's currently a new mining application. So do well to join as early as now. The good things about joining early is that the more the community grows is the more the mining rate reduces. So but if you join as early as possible, you'll be able to accumulate enough coin. So that is the good thing about joining early, and that is the reason why I'm sharing it with you right now. So before I proceed, if this is your first time of coming across this particular channel, do well to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that each time we bring information like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So today I'm going to show you step by step on how you can register on this particular app. Remember that this particular application will not be on Play Store. You can only find it through the link that I'll put on the description of this video. So check the description of this video. You see the link. Click on the link. Once you click on the link, here is a place that you'll find yourself. You'll find yourself on this page. They'll ask you to log in or you sign up. So you click on sign up because you have not logged in. So once you click on sign up, it will take you to this particular place. The very first thing you need to do is to click on referral. The referral code, which is the name of this particular channel, will be on the description as well. You take the code. Without the code, you can't register. So take the code and you paste it here. Then your full name and your email and password. Make sure you create strong password. So this password will contain with it will be contained with a capital letter and small letter and word. After that, you pass this captcha. This is captcha. You repeat it according to what I present to you. You will repeat it according to what I present to you. Then you repeat it here. Then you click on verify. After that, it will land you here. They will send you what they call OTP on your email. Go to your email. You see the OTP. Copy the OTP 6-digit number. Then you now put it here before you now click on verify. After that, you land yourself on the dashboard. So on the dashboard section, there are some tasks you need to perform, which I will reveal to you. There are some tasks you need to perform once you find yourself on the dashboard. So this is how it look like. Then the dashboard will look like this. So one thing you need to understand is that this particular site will be mined every 24 hours. You need to come back to this particular site every 24 hours and reactivate it. Then another thing you need to understand is that the mining rate is very low. So keep on mining. You can see you mine 0.20 social by hour. So you can increase your mining speed. You can increase the mining speed if you wish. So you can increase the mining speed, and at the same time, take note that you need to pass what they call KYC. There's KYC on this particular site. But before that, let me show you one thing you need to understand, which is daily task. So you can perform this weekly quest and you receive more points. So let's go back. And another thing you need to understand is that you can refer. You can refer your friends. This is the code that I'm talking about. This is what you use as your referral code. This is it. You use it as your referral code. This is it. It's been written here. It will be written under the description of the video. You use it as a referral code. And another thing you need to understand is that this particular place, this arrow, You see the transaction, what you have mined will be transact to you. As you can see, this mining, I just started the journey. I only mined 4.80 by a day due to the mining rates. So, and another thing you need to understand is this KYC. Okay, this is mining section. As you can see, base rate, I mine 0.2 per hour. So let's go back. So KYC section is what I will do a different video concern, because if I should do it now, it will take much of our time, so which that is not allowed. So this is where how you can confirm your KYC. Another thing you need to understand is that the wallet section, they have what they call internal wallet. Internal wallet is a place where your balance will be accumulated. So this is my balance as of today. So but I know that by as time goes on, it will increase, by the balance will increase. So and another thing you need to understand is that this particular project is being built on Binance BNB, as in Binance contract address. So it's based on Binance smart chain. So you can only find this particular project on Binance. So I will make a separate video concerning that. So and another thing you need to understand is this particular wallet. You create wallet or you import the existing wallet. So which I'm not review that to you today, but I'm just showing it to you. So let's go back. And another thing you need to understand is the roadmap. The roadmap is what you need to understand. We are not going to go through this particular articles here. We can only show you the most important one, which is Binance Smart Chain contract address. As you can see, it's being built on Binance Smart Chain. So that is the network is being built. So let's go together and let's say deposit and withdraw facilities for true miners. Social token can be exchanged to purchase different goods and service. Ecosystem building will continue at this phase. So that is the only thing you need to understand concerning this particular area. So and another thing is policy and leaderboard. So that one is not that necessary as of now. So take notes and also make sure you start mining as early as now, so that you keep on earning the real coin. Remember, you are not mining points, you are mining real coin. So make sure you participate fully. The very good about this particular project is that you can withdraw this particular project in as much as you have passed the KYC, and also you link your Binance Smart Chain contract address. You can easily withdraw it to the wallet, either Trust Wallet or MetaMask Wallet, which I'm going to do a separate video about that. So I think we have come to the end of this particular information. Do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also share to your friends. And do well to also put your comment below the comment section, so that we know what to do next. So let's keep our hand across concerning this particular project, that it will surely reward its community handsomely. So be safe and always be on the safe side. Be blessed.